How to explain the three Kepler laws? Quite simple. Johannes Kepler was a great mathematician and astronomer born in the southwest of Germany. First of all, he was fascinated by the stars and planets in the outer space. One of the planets was the Mars. But there was one mystery: on what terms do the planets move around the Sun? Kepler worked hard to calculate their orbits. The groundbreaking concept: the astronomer centered the Sun, and all other planets move around this central Sun. In this context, Kepler found some principles that describe the planet's motion nearly exact. These mathematical models are called the three Kepler's laws. First law: the orbit does not look like a circle, but rather than an egg. This shape is also called ellipse. Every planet has its own elliptical orbit around the Sun. Second law: every planet varies its velocity in this egg-shaped orbit. Approximating the central star, the planets increase their speed. When they veer away from the Sun, they decelerate their speed in the orbit again. Third law: very simplified: far from the Sun, the orbital period of a planet is longer than the orbital period of a planet at close range. For clever clogs, to calculate the time of circulation, you need the mass of a planet 1 and a planet 2. Further variable in ellipse 1 and ellipse 2, the semi-major axis measured from the central point of the respective ellipse. Other words, in our solar system the orbital period mainly depends on the mass of a planet and its mean distance from the Sun. These laws are generalities. In our solar system, all planets, satellites or the International Space Station move around the focus of their own elliptical orbit. You can simulate, for example, the second Kepler law in a roller coaster. The ground floor is the Sun. If you ride bottom up, you will decelerate. And if you are on the top and ride top down, you will pick up your pace. According to the Kepler's laws, riding a roller coaster brings fun. By the way, they also explain the principles of planetary orbits in our solar system.